Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete channels and your server on Discord. So firstly, let's just delete a channel. For instance, I want to delete the Taylor Swift one. I have to click on it. If I want to delete the general one, I click on that, but I want to delete the Taylor Swift channel, for instance. So I just go to the members tab, go to settings, and I can also change the channel name here, but I want to delete this. So I am going to go to these three dots on the top right corner of my screen. I'm going to press on that and delete channel. And this will pop up, delete channel. Are you sure you want to delete Taylor Swift? This cannot be done. And I can press cancel or delete channel. And if I go back, the channel has been deleted. And I am now going to show you how you can delete your server. Right now, I just scroll to the right, sort of, and I am going to again press on those three dots next to the Swifties 13. And I am going to click on the settings tab here. And I will be on server settings. As you can see, if I go down, there won't be a delete tab. But I'm just going to go to these three dots on the top right corner. Then I can press the delete server. Delete Swifties 13. Are you sure you want to delete Swifties 13? This action cannot be undone. And I'm going to press delete. And it's going to ask why. I'm just going to press the I didn't mean to make a server tab. And now the server has been deleted, and that is pretty much it. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and please subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, please write it in the comment section down below. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!